Hey everyone, I have the family size hotlogic out. Inside you can see I got steaks. I've used smokehouse maple, Italian seasoning, and a little bit of soy sauce. It's cooking all day in the family size for our dinner. Not sure what our side's gonna be. You see the blue one right there, that's my husband's hotlogic. If you don't know what a hotlogic is, the blue one is a mini personal portable oven. Family size is the same thing. They're both portable. You can cook anything from frozen and raw. Reheat your foods so you don't have to worry about using a dirty, disgusting microwave at work. And this is my mom's hotlogic.
Hi.
She has her stuffed pepper is inside. Yep, you can see her hand right there. Let me show you. That's her lunch. So, again, this is my mom's hotlogic right there. That's what she's gonna have for lunch. Mom, how do you like it?
It is good.
So, there you go, folks. You guys heard it from an elderly lady. So, we'll show you. There's her lunch. That is her stuffed pepper. You can see the steam coming out. And you can see she's smiling to it. Again, so this is the steak for our lunch, cooking in the family size, and my husband's. Get yourself a hotlogic, folks. You will not regret getting one. Bye.